Interactive learning. Engage with interactive online platforms like Codecademy or DataCamp, offering hands-on Python courses with immediate feedback. Practice coding. Regularly practice coding through coding challenges on websites like LeetCode and HackerRank to reinforce your skills and problem-solving abilities. Project-based learning. Undertake small projects related to your interests, applying Python to real-world problems, which enhances your understanding and creativity. Utilize online resources. Leverage free online resources such as YouTube tutorials, Python documentation, and forums like Stack Overflow to learn from experienced developers and troubleshoot issues. Join coding communities. Participate in coding communities and forums like GitHub and Reddit. Collaborating with others, sharing code, and getting feedback accelerates your learning process.